Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bum Lip Screen Lip Balm. And scent is mango, broad spectrum SPF 30, so keep your lips protected from the sun. Check it out. This is my first product from Bum. Heard it's pretty good. Here's the drug facts, directions. Cool, let's get to it. Wow. Looks pretty cool, pretty hip. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that's weird. Is there tape? Oh, it's sealed for protection. There's this. So why is this so hard to take off? You peel this off. That's kind of cool. Double sealed for protection. All right, there we go. Wow. Let's try it out. Try it out. Oh, it's nice mango scent. Very enjoyable. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from, and let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section. Hope you're all doing well. See you all next time. Later.